Where Is does exactly what it says on the tin, allows you to check your devices in real-time position. Once inside, you will see your device marker on the Map Center. This is the latest position that Greenbox received from your device. You are free to switch to the map that suits you best: Google Map, Google Hybrid Map, and OpenStreetMap. You may also browse the map by using Google Street View facility, if available in your area. If you are using your smartphone, you can share your device position in Where Is. Among map options, you may set Auto Center and Auto Zoom. Auto Center brings all selected devices on Map Center, allowing you to see them all together. Auto Zoom allows you to see your devices at the maximum zoom level possible. You may get to see both public POIs, created by the Mobisat community, and private POI created by yourself and only visible on your Greenbox account. Select which POI category you want to focus on by filtering out those categories which you left unflagged. More information about this topic is on the POI dedicated video. Let's get back to your device. Click Details on the map callout to find all the information related to the current position. By clicking on I as Info, you will trigger the Vehicle Virtual Dashboard. Beware! The virtual dashboard is available only to those devices with OBD2 connection. The virtual dashboard displays information such as engine RPM rolls per minute, speed, odometer value, fuel level, throttle valve position, engine status, on or off, and eventual diagnostic error codes. Note that some of this information is available for most vehicles. This depends on your vehicle model OBD-II protocol, which in some cases might not be standard. If you have more than one device connected with your Greenbox account, you may choose to display by selecting them in the Devices list. Some devices may have physical inputs and outputs. You can read all inputs and output status on the Connections panel. Red means off, green means on, yellow means status not received.